Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Dodge Durango Citadel all-wheel drive, stock number Z9170XXA. 52,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Durango seat 7. Leather interior, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats two. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see. This Citadel has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, moonroof, button start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials and auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Durango, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.